Thankfully, I'm not seeing a lot of oil come spitting out, so I think we're okay to drive down to the shop. About 15 miles, so fingers crossed. Basically, a few weeks ago, I went down to my mom's to grab the rest of my stuff out of her house and to wish her a happy birthday. And on my way home, before I jumped in my rig, I noticed there was some oil underneath. So I checked it a few times on the way home and started noticing it was leaking more and more. It's coming from the exact front of the engine, so I think it's the front main seal. I really don't think I can fix it myself this time around, so I'm taking it down to a respected shop. I guess now, maybe now, I'm a real Land Rover owner. What's crazy is it sprung this oil leak almost exactly 1 year from when I bought her. Kind of upset about that because it's been perfect for the last year. Look at the lineup of Rovers. This must be the place. Hey Jennifer, Nate Risch here, returning a call from just a few moments ago. Oh, okay, that's what I was thinking. Good. Bye. Front main seal. Thank you, thank you. Not head gaskets. Super excited about that. So the Land Rover is finally all fixed at the shop. So I'm heading on over there now to see how much this one's gonna cost me. These streets are so steep around Seattle sometimes. Whew. Oh, there's my girl. Well, that totally sucked. $2,200. Guess that's the joy of owning a Land Rover, huh? This is what I want. That's the dream ride. D90 in blue. Check this out. This is freaking awesome. Beautiful. Love it. Want it. Though not an automatic. So what do you think? Sell a Disco and buy one of these bad boys? I mean, that's still pretty damn cool, but that's just awesome.